The cheapest thing from Balenciaga is this huge box. Ready? I just scratched my neck right here, like, and itched it, so I wasn't being in a chokehold or anything like that. My cat putting me in a chokehold, just kidding. Today I'm going to be doing buying the cheapest thing on Balenciaga. If you guys do not follow me, then hello, welcome to this channel. If you would subscribe to the chaos, I would really appreciate it. If not, just say, hey girl. Welcome back to the madness of me. Ew. So today I'm doing Balenciaga. I started this series years ago. And I'm still trying to get through all of the designer places, and you guys, I always have requests for these. You love them, so let's just jump straight into it. Just a couple things if you have never seen these before. I'm Canadian, so these are gonna be in Canadian prices. I'm gonna get it shipped to me, and I'm gonna unbox it and show you exactly what it looks like when it's unboxed and have some kind of use for it, I hope. And whatever the cheapest item is, we are going to buy it, even if the cheapest item is $600. So Balenciaga has been requested like since I started doing this. So I can't wait to do this right now because I don't even think I own anything Balenciaga. I don't think so. So wow, let's do it. And I hope shipping's free, but we have no idea, right? So let's get into it. I'm hoping to spend like $20 or less because I know Balenciaga items are a little pricey. Okay, so when you first open the website, this is what it looks like. They're on a subway. I don't know. We don't even have a subway in my, well, like Eat Fresh subway in my city, but the categories are women, men, and explore. So there's literally 2 categories. Woo! Yay! Sometimes there's like pets, home, gifts, sale, all this, and I'm like, okay, so when you hover over, the categories are all there. They're nice and like, I like this. This is like nice and precise. I like this website so far. Ready to wear, which you can read everything that's in there. Shoes, leather goods, small leather goods, and accessories. I already see view all, so I'm so excited. But let's just go ahead and just click ready to wear first, and we'll see what we get. Oh, by the way, I'm starting with the women's section. Okay, so once I just click on it, we have beautiful sweaters. I've always wanted a Balenciaga shirt that is like this, like pullover, and it's just so cute. That pink one is so cute, but I had no idea that they were almost $2 grand. Like with tax, those are $2,000. I'm already stunned at this. Honestly, yay. Hey! Oh my God, the money demon's coming out of me. What does that even mean? Okay, so as always, I'm gonna go low to high, but just for fun, I need to see what the most expensive clothing item is. It needs to happen. 30 grand, 30 grand, 20 grand, $16,000. Oh no, you guys were in, oh no. I better not be spending like, I'm probably gonna be spending like 50 bucks at least. I can't. It's just cause it's like, if I was spending 50 bucks on Balenciaga, I'd be fine, right? But it's like stuff it's something probably I don't want. That's why I'm like, ugh. It's a fake fur coat too. I mean, good, that's good. Like, why have a real fur coat? But like, I'm just saying, like a fake fur coat for 30 grand? I didn't know that fur coats were, fake ones were more than, I don't even know what I'm trying to say. Anyways, next is shoes, and at the bottom of the shoes, I see Crocs, and I need to see them. So I'm gonna click those, sorry, first, and then I'll go low to high for like everything else so we can like not just see what I'm doing this entire time. My brain being so wondrous. Okay, these are the Crocs, and why do I love them? These are the Crocs. They're $825. So you know what's really funny, what I'm about to say is these are the cheapest things so far. So I mean, like, I wouldn't be mad if we had to get those, but still, like, oh, $900 Crocs. It's not the vibe. Stop! Okay, so here are all of the cheapest shoes. So the cheapest shoes are $229. Our cheapest item so far. They're like pretty basic slip-ons, flip-flops, sandals. People call these all types of things. But yeah, they're just pretty basic. I would never spend that on those particularly just for me, but maybe I have to today. We'll see. Okay, the cheapest leather bags. What am I on leather bags? Leather goods. The cheapest leather goods item is a tote bag. It must be leather, obviously. It's $639. Oh my God, Balenciaga really like gets their bag, no pun intended, but they're expensive. Oh my goodness. They have every right to be. They earned that brand, but it's just some brands I notice like very similar items and just like with a different name on them, and they're like some prices are just like they don't correlate to me. I'm like, how come this was this? It's brand names, I get it, quality's different, I get it, I get different materials, I get it, but just to me as like a snuffleupagus, I'm like, that looks the same. Okay, we have something at least in the hundreds. These are small leather goods and glow in the dark casual. Out of stock. They're all out of stock. Okay, so I would have to look at what is the cheapest non out of stock item. I was so excited. I wouldn't have spent $200 on it, but at least that's cute. Glow in the dark. That would be so good at the club, right? Where's my wallet? There it is. It's like a flashlight. Okay, so these are the two items that are the cheapest that are in stock right now. So, yeah. I mean, it's going great. So then we actually haven't found anything even in the hundreds. And there's only one more category left in women. And then we move on to men. Okay, I think it's fine, right? Okay, come on, accessory. Usually the accessories are where we're at. Okay, we have socks and scarves that just pop up first. I didn't even go low to high. And they're $275 for socks. You guys, I am a little bit freaking out. Not gonna lie. Come on, cheapest accessory. Coffee cups, $110 pre-order. So I can order it, right? Pre-order, I can order it. $110. Oh, and they have Dubai, Bangkok, Beijing. I mean, can I get a Canada one? I'm worried that this is what I'm gonna be spending it on, because like, I would never spend over $100 on a takeout coffee cup or a to-go cup that doesn't even have a straw. I guess you could put a straw in there, but like those literally, you can find them at Dollarama. I mean, not the Balenciaga ones. So then there's Toronto, Las Vegas, and Paris. Okay. Oh my God! So do we want white with black writing or black with white writing, I guess? Okay, just don't put that energy out there. Don't seem like I have to get that. And then we have Hong Kong, Beijing, and Tokyo. I don't know why these are on pre-order, but I feel like Balenciaga could whip these out pretty quick. Because they're literally like, well, I don't know, we'll see. Like, oh my God, I kind of like want to get it now to see like the quality, and is it different than like the takeout cups that I have at Dollarama? We should do that. Oh my God, I'm excited. I hope this is it now. Melbourne, Seoul, and Tokyo. Okay, there's so many that I'm just gonna like stop screenshotting, doing all this. So many different places. Shanghai, Miami, Shanghai. So there's doubles because it'll be like a white cup with a black background or a black background with a white cup, right? Or white, well, you know what I mean. I want the Paris one. So like if that's what I'm doing, then that's definitely what I will be doing, is getting that. And just so anyone knows, like these are the next items that aren't the coffee containers that are socks. One of them is out of stock, but one of them is actually in stock. So they are more expensive than the I'm just like, what? So I might not get this for a while, but that's okay, right? Okay, moving on to the men. There's gonna be the exact same category, so I'm just gonna tell you guys the cheapest thing in each category right now. So the cheapest men's ready-to-wear item are socks, and they're all $150, and they are not worth $150 in my opinion. So the cheapest shoes are $269, and they are glow in the dark. That's actually kind of sick. Like, that's really cool. And those other ones are so bright. The other ones I hate. Those mold thong sandal. Even the name sounds ick. Why is it looking like we're gonna get a coffee cup for over $100? Like, if it did something cool. Okay, stop getting that energy. The cheapest leather good is $469 for a water bottle holder. It's not even a bag. It's just for your water bottle. If that's not the most bougiest thing I've ever seen, I want to be on that level. Like, this is my dog's bag, this is my purse, and then this is my water bottle's bag. The cheapest small leather good is $275, and it's another one of those card holders. I have one as well, and it was nowhere near that, but they are really cute and they are practical, so I'll give them that, and they're not like thousands of dollars. So the very last category is accessories. Let's click view all and ascending price, and it is, I knew it, I knew it. The coffee cup. I can't believe this is what I'm getting. Like, what? First of all, this is the most interesting thing that I've ever got on these cheapest things video. Because people were like, I'm sick of you just getting like a pen or like socks. Like, I want you to get something cool. Well, here it is, girl. And then in the men's accessory section, the next thing that is after the pre-order now is $135 for those socks. Weird, because I think the ladies ones were more expensive. Were they? Or maybe I'm not, maybe weird. Anyway, I have to decide which coffee cup I want. Be right back. Okay, so I'm choosing the Paris black one. With the white writing, and we'll see what it looks like when it gets here, what kind of quality, if it's plastic, if it's ceramic, what it looks like. I can't believe I'm spending $110 on this, but it's pre-order right now, so I don't know how long it's gonna take to get to me or anything, but I'll see you guys when it gets here. Oh my god, this was a nightmare trying to get. Okay, so it was pre-order, so I was like, hey, it's gonna take a little while. That's fine. It is today, July 6th. I ordered this in February. Like, what? Literally July 6th. Okay, it's here though. Here she is. Ah, finally. So basically, I waited. I checked every 2-ish weeks the website just to see if it, and my email I was checking all the time obviously, but I was checking the website every 2-ish weeks to see, are you back in stock? And it always said pre-order. So I was like, hey, whatever. Then last month, I noticed a few of the Paris things, like the sweatshirt, the hat, certain things were like going live, but the cups were still on pre-order. So I was like, okay, this is good. This is a good sign. About 2 weeks ago, okay, I went on the Balenciaga website and it's there to purchase. So I was like, oh, weird, because I bought it in February. I go to my email and no shipment, no anything like that. And I'm like, what? Like, what? So I go check to see, I go back in my emails and I was like, yeah, it says purchased $140. Why isn't it shipped? It's there, I can buy it. Why wouldn't I get, what? So I contacted Balenciaga and I was like, hey, this is a little odd, don't you think? Like, it's a little weird. It's live, but I purchased it. And they were like, well, when you purchased it, it's just they hold your money and the money doesn't actually go through until you click this link. And I was like, sorry, but it seems sus to me. I know it's Balenciaga, I know it's a trusted company, no shade on them, but I just was like, what? No, I'm not clicking that link. They're like, once you click this link, then you're confirming your pre-order and then your money will go through. I was like, so I just bought it again. So I just went on the web, not again, I shouldn't say again. I just bought it. I checked to see if it did come out twice. It didn't come out, they did not. I had to click that link for it to come out. So it was only charged once, but I'm still gonna keep checking to make sure they don't charge me again. And if they do, then I'll do a giveaway on it, okay? It's not that big of a deal. I was in the shower when this came. So then I had to go pick it up. I'm not even gonna get into the shipment part of it because that was also a nightmare trying to get. It was a whole process trying to get this, okay? So I have it now. This thing better be worth it. Okay, a little odd, but I didn't remember that when I went to purchase it like 6 months ago, the price was $110 and I showed that in this video. But when I went to buy it like a week ago, it was $140. A little odd, but whatever, I just bought it. And I didn't remember that it was $110 till I went and like edited the video here after it came. It was the cheapest thing at the time that was for sale, if that makes sense. So it's not the cheapest thing anymore. Trying to get this cup has just been a whirlwind. So I'll just take what I got. We got something, that's what matters, and here it is. How's this even open, girl? This big of a box? This probably isn't even it. I think I say that every time I buy something. I can continue on with cheapest things. $140 cup, like, am I opening it the wrong? I don't even care. Get me in here. I'm straight up opening it the wrong way. Like, why is it tape? Oh, please hold. Okay, I got it open. Oh, lip gloss all over it. Okay. She's thick. Look at this. Look at that. She's thick. Oh, this is good paper. Oh my god. What? Returns or exchanges. Should you need to return, thank you for shopping with Balenciaga. Ew, return a cup? Well, I guess they wouldn't resell it, would they? Never mind, don't think about it. Just open it. Righty. Just have to be sure. It just seems like a small coffee cup. She's pretty though. Small but pretty. Me. I relate to her. Oh my god. Finally, I got this. Oh my, this is very good quality cardboard. I never thought those words would come out of my mouth. That's something my dad would say. Like, it's really good quality cardboard. Like, when you turn to your parents. Okay, this is what I see when I'm, let me feel it. Oh. Ooh, Ooh, what's this, girl? It's like how to use the cup. It's just literally a bunch of papers in different languages. The Balenciaga cup is made from the porcelain and should not collide with other hard objects in storage or cleaning. Dishwasher safe, the detergent temperature and washing duration are porcelain sensitive. I'm just gonna hand wash it. It's like lit. Anyways, I'm just gonna hand wash it. Oh, it's heavy. Ooh. Okay, I could bring like tea, like. Ow. What the hell? It shouldn't collide with freaking fingers, I feel. Look at this. Ooh. Here's the bottom. And let's give you a nice close look at this. Balenciaga Paris. Look at that. It looks like it doesn't hold much, but that's okay. The lid is rubbery. Looks like this. It looks like it's gonna hold secure, but we will test it out. The reason why it's hard to get off is because it's hard to put on. Oh, what did I? No. Oh, that's not for YouTube. Oh, there. Did you hear it? It's like, it like vacuum seals. Like, or not. Maybe it'll take some work, you know. She just is like not used to this home. You gotta get, you know, like a new pair of shoes. You gotta break her in. Like, me and my Balenciaga. Like literally, how is this $140? But anyway, it is good quality. As soon as I go to take a sip, it's gonna drop and it's gonna crack and it's gonna break. I'm gonna use this tomorrow and I'm gonna put it in right here of me using it and testing it out right here. Hey guys, let's try this out. I'm on my way camping. I'm bringing you Balenciaga thing. So I think I'm gonna do like a funny TikTok about like me being extra because I have like a full face of makeup on. I'm going camping. Anyways, this is the tea I'm using. I love that I've had 3 different nails in this whole like series. This is a series at this point. Organic chai tazo, spiced black tea. Oh, it smells so good. This is so extra. I can't. And I have some oat milk, which the cats are probably gonna go crazy because they didn't. They're sleepy. I wanna run. I wanna run. Okay.
You're dangerous.
Why?
It's hot water. You just can't put the cup down.
Oh, a little more. I'm feeling, you know, risky today. I'm not driving. Just kidding. Who takes this camping? Who takes a $140 tea cup camping? I'm dead.
You.
Okay, perfect. Oh my god, it's not even, like it's hot, but this doesn't even get hot at all. Okay, girl. And match it so it's like right on there. Okay, that looks good. Oh my god, me spilling it. Okay, good. She's on. Woo! I'm gonna do it in the car. It's gonna be way too hot to drink right now. But like it's not even warm. I really like that. Okay, I'm gonna try this now. Oh my god, just from driving, it did kind of explode. Not explode. What am I talking about? Oh, holds up pretty well. Yummy. Oh no, it doesn't leak. Okay. Yum. And this, it just is like nice and warm. It's not overly hot. And my drink has been sitting for about half an hour, 40 minutes, and it's still nice and like it's not hot, but it's not warm.
For $150, it better not leak.
I think it's just bougie and cute and I really like it. So is it worth the money? I think there's a lot other cups that do the same thing. So I think it's just for the aesthetic of it, which is like ridiculous. But this is cute. Yeah, it's not leaking at all. I think it was just the way we were driving because we were going over a lot of bumps. So yum. So how did it go? Was it good? I hope so. It's so pretty. Me at work. This is a good to-go cup. Okay, well, anyways, so that was my cheapest series that took months and months to do. I kept tweeting about it and like being like, oh my god, this is like taking months. I love you guys, and if you guys want to see more cheapest series, this one was highly requested. That's why I did it, and I had to spend my coin on this one, so it wasn't that cheap. Let me know down below what you guys want to see next for cheapest series, and I will talk to you guys on my next one. Bye guys!